I'm gonna bet money that this is gonna be a 3300. If not, Synergy. Or not Synergy, well, any kind of system crop with VR. But I'm betting it's gonna be a 3300. Mark my word. Mark my words. It's probably over here. Called it.
Well, then you have to call it.
Told you. Left.
Why is it doing the conventional seal one?
This might be a 5500 actually.
What?
This might be a 5500. Let's see. This is Earth. This is what the?
What?
That's weird. All right. The indicator lagged.
Alright, well, you gotta try. Or maybe not.
Call it. He got the other one. Yeah, he took the other one down. Hopefully I can switch downstairs. So this is a pretty new Hampton. This is the one in the airport location. Buttons, he's going back up. Is the other one here?
Yes.
Let's play some musical elevators.
That's what I was doing.
It lagged again.
Alright, now it'll bring down. Or just light up. That works too. Whatever. It's not like I really wanted to hear the really cool down chime. These are pretty nice.
These are pretty nice. Modern hotel elevators usually look really nice.
Oh,
Ones from the mid-era are not bad.
I've never seen this indicator before.
I know, that's a weird indicator. In fact, I've never seen it.
As I was trying to do.
Just open the other one. I almost hit the alarm.
Okay, the buttons don't work.
Very good. Oh,
There we go.
well, you got something. And there goes that one.